And good afternoon. As you are heading out, things are starting to calm down a bit. We do have that ice storm warning now for Garrett County, Maryland. That goes until 11 o'clock tomorrow, where up to 3/10 of an inch of ice accumulation is possible. We're also looking at a flood watch that goes this afternoon all the way through Wednesday afternoon for the Monongahela River at that. So winter weather advisory starting at 4 o'clock this afternoon until 11 o'clock tomorrow, where 1 to 2 inches of snowfall possible, along with about 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation. Areas under the flood watch also included in that winter weather advisory. So another round expected. Be careful on your evening commute tonight through early tomorrow morning. A lot of us are drying out with just a few flakes around. Still the big concern into parts of Garrett County, Maryland, and that is where we did have a little bit of that freezing rain still lingering. Now looking at a little bit of that still into parts of Greene County. So little rain into Morgantown. We're going to see that stationary front just kind of linger for a little bit. That area of low pressure bringing in that warmer air. High pressure will exit, and then we're going to have rain overspreading the region. So looking at Mountain Lake Park in Garrett County, Maryland, saw 3.8 inches of snowfall. Uniontown 2.5, Connellsville 2 inches, right along with Donegal, Waynesburg 1.5 inches, Washington about 1 inch of snowfall. So far, more is on the way. Temperatures right now starting to get above that freezing mark. Not much above that, but 32 right now, Katanning, 33 in Clarion, 34 in Latrobe. Still could have some slick spots on those bridges, overpasses, secondary roads, but many of us just dealing with wet roadways. We did have some snow in the grassy surfaces right now. Looking over Pittsburgh, things are dry for now, feeling in the upper 20s. Most of us will just be dealing with rain throughout tonight and very early tomorrow morning. By late morning and into the afternoon, that's where we're going to start to see that changeover to possibly some freezing rain and even some snow showers into Pittsburgh. So let's time this out for you in FUTURECAST. That warmer air moving in. So into the afternoon, 4 o'clock, we're just going to be dealing with rain for a lot of us. Washington may see a mix earlier, and also into Oakland and also into Garrett County, Maryland. So Somerset having that mix all through this evening, and then we'll have heavy downpours. That's that yellow indication. This is mostly going to stay south of I-80 for the most part for the rain, and then starting to shift further to the north of I-80 for the afternoon, for tomorrow, and also the morning commute. So it's going to be a little bit tricky. By noon, snow showers do taper off. Temperatures are going to drop throughout the night, so back into the upper 20s. May get some black ice as these temperatures will drop Wednesday. Also some leftover showers remaining. Looking at the upper 20s for our highs on Wednesday. Today, 38, looking at those showers later on into the evening, kind of flip-flop from what we had earlier this morning with the big snow and also ice concern for areas to our north. 34 tonight with rain, winds out of the northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. So looking at our 7-day forecast, Tuesday we are into the upper 30s. We'll have rain and some snow showers, temperatures into the mid-20s. Wednesday, only a high of 28 degrees. Then lows will be back into the teens. We do dry out, only getting to 30 on Thursday, but sunny skies and then seasonable for the weekend. It does look dry, but right around 40 degrees. So another active night and morning commute ahead.
Well, we're only a week away from Christmas, so at least it's looking a little more holiday-ish with the snow.
It is. And most areas this morning didn't have much snow, just the timing. That's your morning commute. So it's going to be the same deal again tomorrow.
Yes, it's all about when it falls, exactly.
Yep.
Thank you, Mary.